Good morning 11th students. Today we are starting our new chapter, that is Unit 10, the S block elements. Please, if you are not having chemistry part 2, please buy, ले लो आप chemistry 2 का book और उसमें in there we are starting our new chapters, that is S block elements. Okay. Now in the periodic table I taught you Chemistry Part 2, Unit 10, today's Part 1, S block elements. See, S block elements. Okay. Now, already in the lesson number 2, I taught you the classification of elements that we have classified into S, P, D and F, 4 block. Okay, in S, 1s and 2s. In 1s, hydrogen, then helium. Then in 2s, the filling is lithium and beryllium. Okay. Now, the S block elements of the periodic table. The S block elements of the periodic table are those in which the last electron enters the outermost s orbital, as the s orbital can accommodate only 2 electrons. Okay, I taught you in there lesson number 2. In S, filling of first hydrogen 1, helium 1 and 2. Okay, so the capacity of that block is to fill only 2 electrons. Two groups 1 and 2 belong to the S block of periodic table. Group first of the periodic table consists of the elements. Now you see the group. Okay. See, this is called period. In this way you are knowing first period, second period, lithium, beryllium, boron. This is period. But we have to study the first group like that. Second group. Okay, we will study the two groups. These two groups. Filling of S and S. Okay, here 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. Okay. 5s, 6s. Filling of 1 electron, filling of 2 electrons. Filling of 1 electron, filling of 1 electron. So, outermost of this element consists of only 1 electron. Outermost orbit consists of 2 electrons. In this way, we will study group first of the periodic table consists of the elements lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. See here, no, like that. Lithium 3, sodium 11, then potassium 19, then rubidium, cesium and francium, like that. This is called the group first. Okay, first group. They are collectively known as alkali metals. They are called alkali metals because they form hydroxides on reaction with water, which are strongly alkaline in nature. Okay, so they are forming like NaOH, KOH. They are strongly hydroxides, so they are called alkali metals. The elements of the group 2 includes beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. See here, in 1s, hydrogen and helium there. In first group, in second group, lithium now. This one is lithium 3. 1s2. This is 1s2, 2s1. Here 1s2, 2s2. Okay. So, outermost orbit of lithium consists 2 electrons. After lithium, magnesium 12, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So, this is group barium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, This is group 2. These elements, with the exception of beryllium, are commonly known as alkaline earth metal. Okay, so group 1 is alkali metals, group 2 is alkaline earth metals. These are so called because their oxides and hydroxides are alkaline in nature, and these metal oxides are found in the Earth's crust. Now, among the alkali metals, sodium and potassium are abundant. You are knowing, no? Sodium and potassium are abundant, means so much in quantity, and lithium, radium and cesium have their lower abundance. Okay, table 10.1. This one is easy. I will show you afterwards in table 10.1 and table 2.2. See, here pages are missing in this book. So on page number 299 you will get. Okay. On page number 299 in my book, the pages are mixed, not finding. So beryllium, now francium is highly radioactive. It is largest lived isotope 223. Francium has half-life of only 21 minutes. Of the alkaline earth metals, calcium and magnesium rank 5th and 6th in abundance, respectively in the Earth's crust. Calcium and magnesium. Now, strontium, barium have much lower abundance. Now, barium is rare and radium is the rarest of all, comprising only 10 raised to minus 10 presence of igneous rocks. Table 10.2 on page number 299 you can see, because in my book these pages are missing. Okay, pata. The general EC, electronic configuration of S block elements, is noble gas, any noble gas, NS1. If I am talking about lithium, then here helium noble gas. Okay, NS1, 1 electron. For alkali metals, and any noble gas NS2 for alkaline earth metals. So this is general electronic configuration. Now next, lithium and beryllium, the first element of group 1 and group 2 respectively, exhibits some properties which are different from those of other members of the respective group. Okay, so lithium is in group 1, beryllium in second group. So lithium is not having the same property as of their own group, and beryllium also is having not the same property like its group. So in this anomalous means different properties, they resemble the second element of the group. Thus lithium shows similarity to magnesium. Here after beryllium, magnesium is coming. So lithium is having not the same property of group 1, but it is having the properties like other second group, that is next element. And beryllium shows to aluminum of group 3, aluminum 13, here Al plus 3. So beryllium is having the relation not with the first element of the group but the second element of the group. So they are having this diagonal relation. This type of diagonal similarity is commonly referred for as the diagonal relationships in the periodic table. Okay. Now the diagonal relationship is due to similarities in ionic sizes, charges, radius, ratios of elements. Means such type of properties they are not having of their own group, but lithium is having the properties like magnesium and beryllium is having like the properties of aluminum. These type of properties. Now sodium is monovalent, potassium is also monovalent, magnesium plus 2 is divalent, calcium plus 2 is also divalent. Ions are found in large proportion. Okay. In biological fluids, these ions perform important biological functions such as maintenance of ion balance and nerve impulse conduction. Okay, now I showed you monovalent sodium and potassium ions and divalent magnesium and calcium ions are found in large proportion in biological fluids. These ions perform important biological functions such as maintenance of ion balance and nerve impulse functions. Our next topic is 10.1 group first elements alkali metals. Okay, in the next lecture I will show you again. We will start the alkali metals shows regularly trends in physical and chemical properties with the increasing atomic number. The atomic, physical and chemical properties of alkali metals are discussed below. First, 10.11 electronic configuration. So you are knowing group first electronic configuration: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. First, hydrogen 1s1, so then lithium 1s2 2s1, sodium 1s filling of 10, 1s2 2s2 2p6, then filling of 3s1. So you can see 2s1 3s1